Going on, y'all? You know who it is. It's the big dog, Mr. Septillion, and that's right, it's Turn Up Thursday, baby. Just got done with a nice little jog, so I'm feeling good, feeling great. But I want to talk to you today about uncaging the big dog. That's you. That's right. About releasing your greatness. I know it's a lot of turbulent things going on right now and things we can't control. But here's the one thing you can't control: what you do today. So I want you to find 2 behaviors that you can hold on to and master from now to the end of the quarter. That's right, it's 4th quarter, baby. It's harvest time. And like the great Nick Morosis used to say, you got to play with your head and your heart, baby. Go get 'em, big dog.